I am so excited. I just got an email from a brand named Mew Mews, and they offered me a discount for my viewers. This is the box that everything came in. Isn't it so cute? The first item I have to show you is this really cute Bustier. And I'll get it close so you can see all of the rhinestones on it. So as you can see, the whole cup has rhinestones on it. The body of it does. Obviously the other cup does too. But check out all of those rhinestones. Now, want to hear something super cool? The back is totally adjustable. Let me show you. So as you can see right here, this is the back. So it has a bunch of little like bra hooks right there, and you can adjust it many sizes. So if you're a little bit thinner and you need it to be smaller, then you can make it smaller. And if you're a little bit bigger, then you can make it bigger. So either way, it's going to fit great for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try this baby on. And here it is. This is the Plum Crystal Bustier in pink. And you can see the crystals right up here. And then as we walk back, we can see them going all the way down. Now let me show you the back of it. So as you can see in the back, it is adjustable. And I have it on the second one in. I can absolutely hardly wait to wear this out somewhere. Maybe to a party, maybe to the club, maybe I look too old for that. But either way, you know, whether it's out to a dinner or just out for fun, I am going to be wearing this top. And I know summer's almost over for some of us, but I will be wearing this top all through next summer. And I'm going to be wearing it in the winter with just like a little shawl over it or something like that. I like how the back of this is adjustable. And this bustier also comes with extra crystals, just in case any get lost. I also like the fact that these rhinestones are on here. Like, they don't feel like they're going to fall off. They are on there. So that's really nice too. You don't have to worry about losing a rhinestone in the middle of a dinner. That would be terrible. This bustier comes in size extra small through large. This top is absolutely high quality. The breast cups are very thick and formed, and the rest of it is very, very well put together. So if you were looking to get something from Mew Mews, I do have a discount code for you. Your code to get 20% off is ANSAMM20. So you use that code at checkout and you will get 20% off your first order.
Looks like you can do better, so much better.
Next outfit is this lovely green dress, and guess how you put it on? I'll be doing that as I change for you. Now I'm actually going to be looking at the picture on the website to make sure I get it on right, because this is a little bit difficult to get on. So I do want to show you the fabric though. It is a little bit thinner but not see-through. It also has this gorgeous ruching that comes along here, and you will have to guess where that ruching goes. So I will be right back with this green dress on to show you what it looks like. And here is that green dress. What do you think? So I love it. It's got this little side patch right here. You get to see your tummy peeking through right there. Got a little half sleeve moment right here. And this dress is called the Abra One Shoulder Cutout Maxi dress. In my opinion, this dress is super cute. And my husband wants to go to the casino, and guess where I'm wearing this dress? To the casino! Yes, I am. The price of this dress is $49.90 and well worth the money. This dress comes in size small through large. I did want to tell you that this is a longer dress. I'm about 5'1", and I'm wearing pretty high shoes, and it still is about an inch, maybe half an inch touching the ground. So it's a pretty long dress, but the hem is straight. So it would be very easy to sew the hemline just up a little bit further if you needed to. So if you so far are looking at one of these items thinking, I want to buy that, all you have to do is go to www.mewmews.com and that is the Mew Mews website. So feel free to start searching on there while you're watching the video, but still watch the video because I got more to show you. I will leave a link in the description to both the pink bustier and this dress.
My God. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to plant it, drop. Go left, go right, working up my appetite. No fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet, so nice, have a slice of apple pie. Wanna see my mind, baby, you just join my ride. Getting ready.
The next item I have to show you is the Helena striped bandage set. This with the skirt was $135, and I'll let you see the fabric. It is thick. Maybe looking real thick. Yes, this fabric is very thick. It has binding on the edges. It's got a nice zipper. Nice and sturdy zipper. And let me show you the skirt. This is the skirt that goes to the bandage set. So let's go ahead and I will give it a try. And tell me in the comments what you think of these outfits. This is the bandage set. So let me show you the front first. Nice slinky skirt here, very bodycon. And let me show you the back. It zips up the back, which is very nice. It also has a little zipper right there. This set is $135 and well worth the money. The skirt also has a little section in the back here to make it easier to walk. I think it's pretty handy because I don't know about you, but I like walking. This dress is stretchy, so it makes it much easier to get it on and get it off, and it makes it really comfortable to wear. This outfit comes in size extra small through large. This fabric does have a little bit of stretch to it, so it makes it easier to get in and out of the outfit. And I forgot to mention, you get worldwide free shipping on any order that is $100 or more.
Ready for the weekend, popping bubbles through the ceiling. Sure, I got dough, but don't need it, 'cause all I want is your healing, your healing. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots.
You get your discount code, and then you also get great deals on the clothing. All of their products are made to order, so that means that they're actually handmade after you placed your order, and then they're shipped and sent to you. It doesn't take a long time though, so shipping is fairly quick for this company, not a problem at all. Now I did want to tell you a little bit about Mew Mew and their mission. It says that Mew Mews were inspired by the beauty and individuality of women everywhere. Our brand was founded by a group of women who saw a need in the fashion industry for clothing that not only looks great, but makes a woman feel good too. And they have definitely done that with me today. These are the highest quality clothes I think I've ever worn. So definitely check out the website, check out your discount code, and let me know what you think in the comments. Are these items, do you think they're worth the price? Do you think they should be more? Do you think they should be less? How are you feeling about your 20% off discount code? And with that, I wanted to thank you for watching. And if you got something out of the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. And if you made it to here, you obviously got something. So let's go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I wanted to thank you for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.